All right, first thing you want to do is open Server Manager and navigate down to Web Server IIS. Click the Add Role Services button. Go down to Security. Click IP and Domain Restrictions. Click Install. Confirm. And it will install. And then you will see this page. Then just click Close. All right, open up IIS Manager. Go to Default Website. Double-click IPv4 addresses and domains. And before we do anything, let's pop open IE and just type in 127.0.0.1. It's a loopback address, and it should bring you up this page. So we can access the web server. Now let's edit the features and settings. For unspecified clients, deny. Okay, now let's try it again. Just refresh this. Oh look, it's not working. There we go. So let's add an allow entry for a specific IP address. This is us. So click OK. And now let's try it again. Refresh. Oh, look, it works. Because we said, hey, if this person tries to access it, let them. All right. Now, if we try to do the same thing on here, you can guess what's going to happen. Access will be denied. However, if we add an allow entry for that computer and try it again, it works. So that's the basic gist of configuring IP address restrictions. All right, let's go ahead and add another entry, and let's do an address range this time. Do 10.1.1.0, and for the mask, 255.255.255.0. Click OK. And edit feature settings. Let's just go ahead and put this back on allow for now. And that's it for configuring IP address restrictions. All right, in Server Manager under Features, the Features node here, be sure that Active Directory Domain Controller tools are installed. If they're not installed, click on this and install them. Next, go to Active Directory Users and Computers, create a new user, name the user IUSR01, go to the Properties, Member of, add the user to the IIS_IUSRS group. Click OK. And then go to the IIS Manager, down to the default website. Double click on Authentication. And here you see Anonymous Authentication. Click Edit, and we're going to change the specific user to the one we've created. Type in your domain name in all caps, because it helps sometimes. Type in the username. Click OK. Click OK once more, and that is the account that anonymous users will be logged into. Just to exercise this, here we are on server 2, logged in as IUser01. So if you hit enter here, 2020 server 01, we are logged into the website. Just to prove that it is working, go to Active Directory and right click on that user we created and disable the account. And let's just see what happens. Access denied. So let's go and enable the account. Click on the default website. In the Actions panel, click Restart, and then we can jump back into our other account. And it's now working again. Yay. All right, in Server Manager, under Roles and Web Server IIS, click Add Role Services. Under Security, select Basic, Windows, and Digest Authentication. Click Next, select Install, wait for it to finish installing, and click Close. Open up IIS Manager, and let's disable the anonymous authentication and enable the basic authentication. Open up IE, go to the server, and this will pop up. If you just type in a username, probably won't work. And if you do it 3 times, this will happen. If you type in the domain name, it will work. There you have it. Now let's enable Windows authentication. And with this one, you can see that it simply says connecting to 2020 server 01. It doesn't have the bit about connecting in an insecure manner or whatever. So that's how you can tell it's Windows authentication and not just basic authentication. In IIS Manager, select your server node and double-click on Server Certificates. Select Create Self-Signed Certificate. Click OK. And you can click View to view the certificate. Go to the default website, click Bindings, click Add, select HTTPS, and for the certificate, select this one we've created and click OK. And close. Double-click SSL Settings, check Require SSL, require 128-bit, click Apply. Open IE, and let's see what happens. And it says we cannot access it, but if we change the protocol to HTTPS, it should work. And there you have it.